Hello guys, it's me Shivansh and today we are going to learn geography. The first chapter, representation of geographical features part 2 and welcome to Learning is Fun with Shivansh. So let's start. So in the last chapter we studied about some geographical features, but this time we will study about them in detail. Okay? Globe. The globe can rotate just like the earth rotates on its axis. Now you can see a globe here with me. Okay, this is a globe. Okay, and this can rotate. If this is the same as the earth, and this can rotate, but the earth is not of this size. The earth is way bigger than this. Okay, since the earth is spherical in shape. Now what is spherical? Spherical, the globe I just showed you, you can see this globe. This shape is called spherical, okay? The shape the globe is in, that shape is called spherical. It means a little round like this, okay? In shape, it is difficult to represent it on a map, so we use the globe. Why is the earth difficult to represent it on a map? Because map, we studied in the last session that map is built, it's made on a flat surface. Okay, map you all can see, map is made on a flat surface. Okay, it's made on a flat surface. Now there are limitations of everything. Okay, so now there's limitation of the globe also. Now I'll give you 5 seconds to read the limitations of the 10 seconds actually to read the limitations of the globe. You can read it and find it out. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, time's up. Now let's read the limitations of the globe and let me explain it to you. Okay, the space on a globe is limited. It cannot give a detailed description of the physical features and other characteristics. Now the globe, you can see the space is limited. Okay, the space is limited and it cannot give a detailed description. You can see India is over here, India is over here. It cannot give a detailed description of the earth. Okay, and its features and characteristics. So that is the limitation of the globe. Okay, a globe can show only political divisions and cannot show topographic details. Now what is political divisions? Okay, political divisions is basically the divisions between the boundaries. Like India is over here and Pakistan is over here. Okay, Pakistan is over here. Okay, so the globe shows the border of them, of all the full world's countries and its borders. So that is the political division. And topographic details is what crops are grown there, about the climate. Topographic is basically about the climate. Okay, a globe cannot be made to represent a part of the earth. A part of the earth means it's not the full earth. A part of the earth, suppose you can take America, you can take India. So it is not made. We have maps for that. The globe is to represent the full world, the full earth. That's why the oceans, everything, ocean, the countries, etc. Okay. Now this was the limitations. Okay. Now I am requesting you to learn the limitations. It can come. Please learn the limitations. It can come. What are the limitations of the earth? Okay. Sorry, of the globe. I'm so sorry. Next. The globe does not have any key or legend. In the last session, we learned what is key or legend. So let me just explain to you again. Key is basically something which help us see what is in the map, which helps us represent what is in the maps. Like blue represents river and green represents northern plains, grass, trees, everything. So they are the keys. Keys are the colors, and legends are, we will learn it after. We will learn it in the next session. So let's see now. This was only for the globe. So we are done with the globe. Very good. Okay, excellent. Okay, good. I know you all have performed one thing. Very good you have performed, and you are listening very nicely. But I have one more point of the globe, that globe is a three-dimensional shape. Now, three-dimensional shape, this is a homework for you to find out what is three-dimensional shape and to write it in the comments. And again, I am telling you, if you have any doubts related to anything of what we are teaching, please go to any short of our channel, go and put a doubt. We will surely answer it. Okay? Go, don't be scared. Go, ask. If it's a big doubt, we will also make a separate video for it. So please go and ask your doubts. Okay, so now let's get back. Sketch and plan. Okay, a sketch. A sketch is a rough drawing based on the memory. Okay, now what is a rough drawing? I'll tell you. Suppose it's your birthday party. You have to, from school, you have to invite your friend to your house. Okay, so suppose you don't know, your friend doesn't know your house, and you don't know your friend's house. Okay, and they have to come at your house for the birthday party. The school is the common place where you all meet. Okay, so over there, from the school they will go, and over there they will go and they will start talking, and then they will tell, from the school they will tell that from this chalk, suppose you can say Chandni Chowk. From Chandni Chowk you can take a right, then take a right, go straight, you will see the mall, shopping mall. From the mall you will go straight, then you will have a bookstall, and then from the bookstall you will take a right inside, then in the right you will go straight, you will have a vegetable market, and opposite the vegetable market, it's my house, it's my society, whatever, bungalow, whatever you live in. So like that, suppose, I'm just giving example. So like that you are telling vegetable, or suppose you go in the road, you see the governor's house, you see the governor's house, you see the chief minister's house, opposite that. Now there is a very simple thing, no one can live opposite chief minister or governor's house. It's a very obvious thing, but I'm just giving an example for you to understand. Okay, now let's start. It shows only relevant features of an area or a specific place. Okay, now this is a example of a sketch. Okay, it is based on a memory. So this is the learning road, this is the fountain chalk, and over here we have the hospital. This is a ground, this is a simple ground. Over here we have the school's ground. Then we have parking A, parking B for the hospital, parking A for the mall. Okay, suppose I have to guide my friend to the bookstall and we are at the school. What will I tell? Okay, I'll tell, my friend's name is Rahul, suppose. Okay, Rahul, okay, let's start. From the school you will go straight, then you will come on the learning road, you will see the hospital. But from the learning road you will take a right to Fountain Chalk, and to the Fountain Chalk you will cross the governor's house and the mall. When you cross the governor's house and the mall, from the Fountain Chalk you will come from the Fountain Chalk and go to the bookstall. And when you go to the bookstall, I will meet you there. Okay, so let's fix the time like that. It will be a conversation like that. Okay, so now this much is clear, but please see the example, observe it, and then tell, because it's based on a memory. You tell idhar Fountain Chalk hai, idhar ye hai, idhar wo hai, and then you go straight, then you take a right, then you take a left. Like, it's based on a memory because you remember. That's what is a sketch. Okay, now let's go to a plan. Okay, a plan is a detailed drawing made to a scale. Now we know what is a scale. Okay, detailed drawing is, it shows every single thing in it. It shows the details in it. That's why it's called a detailed drawing. Okay, it shows the layout of a small area on a large scale. Okay, Plan of a house. Now what is the plan? What is the plan? You all can see the plan. Now this much plan. This is a bathroom, so it's a detailed drawing. And like when you ever go to buy a house, you see that there's a plan. They show you the plan. Even of a mall, there's a big plan, and they show you all of that. And then you observe it, and then you see, and then that's the thing. Okay. So this is a proper plan. You can observe it. Okay. I give you 5 seconds to observe it. Okay. Okay, I think so you all have observed it. So that's it for today's class. See you in my next session. Okay, tata, bye bye. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe to my channel, it will help you get new videos when I post it. Okay, and share it with your fellow friends so that they can also get this knowledge. Okay, tata, bye bye.